The Baltic Sea is one of the busiest and most environmentally vulnerable seas in the world. The maritime sector plays a vital role in connecting the Baltic Sea region, but it also faces pressing environmental challenges, including high traffic density, environmental sensitivity, and seasonal freezing of the sea. The European Green Deal's Fit for 55 package and International Maritime Organization set ambitious targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions from ships. The BALTIC-FIT project, funded by the European Commission's Horizon Europe program, addresses these specific challenges. The primary goal of the project is to build a network of excellence between Estonia, Finland, and Sweden to enable Baltic Sea maritime transport meet decarbonization goals. The leading experts from TalTech, VTT, and RISE contribute with their unique expertises in operational, technological, and digitalization aspects of shipping.
The key is that we are not only the research institutes and universities working together, but we have a strong collaboration with our stakeholders, meaning authorities and private companies, shipping companies and ports. So we all together are tackling these projects.
The project organizes networking activities between the partners and external stakeholders, training workshops, summer schools, and capacity building activities for researchers. The support from the advisory board, composed of industry experts and policymakers, ensures alignment with stakeholder needs and maximizes the real-world impact of our outcomes.
The BALTIC-FIT project is a manifestation of collaboration in the shipping industry. So bringing different parties together to work on reducing carbon emission is very important. It's in fact the only way to get emissions down.
The BALTIC-FIT partners will implement a 3-year innovation project involving the representatives of industry, shipping and logistics companies, and ports. The goal of the studies is to analyze operational, technological, and digitalization aspects of shipping and to develop recommendations both for authorities and companies operating in the Baltic Sea region on how to tackle the complex issue of decarbonization. BALTIC-FIT towards a sustainable future for the Baltic Sea region.